So the first step is to remove the side shrouds by pulling away from the arm. So you take it from the top and the bottom and just pull away from it. The fixed segment cable manager, same thing. You take it from the top and the bottom and you pull away from the arm. Then you take the cables and you pass them through the opening on the cable manager and then flip them to the bottom. You take the next cable, you flip them through the opening. One cable held by the tabs on the bottom, the second cable held by the tabs on the top. You allow a little bit of slack on the front, from the front of the cable manager to the monitor, and then you snap it back on. Then you take the second cable manager and repeat the same steps. You allow a little bit of slack from the front to the monitor and you snap the cable back in. Take the cables and crisscross them. So the cables that were on the right are now going to the left. The cables that were on the left are now going to the right. And once you have them like that, you snap them into the cable manager like this. You lay them flat against the cable manager and then you snap the cable manager back onto the fixed segment. Snap them onto the base. You do two, then you do the other two. So as you can see, we left some slack from the fixed segment to the height adjustable segment, and that will allow the arm to move properly without anything tangling onto itself. You will notice that for the dual arm, we are not using the middle cable manager. We need the slack to allow for the arm to move properly.